Hey you guys, how you guys doing? My name is Corey Norris and thanks for checking out my page, Direct Marketing. I just want to go over with you guys. I got a new sign up not just 5 days ago. As you can see here on the 20th of October, got a new sign up. I earned a $5 commission, which is awesome, using my lead gen secret as a bulk mailer. And I want to go over the affiliate side of my lead gen secret and how they have all kinds of promotional tools and stuff and how you can earn money as an affiliate. So as an affiliate, you can receive $5 a month on personal membership sales to customers who did, who purchase directly from you as affiliate on level 1. You can receive $4 a month on your personal sponsors affiliate member sales 2 levels, $3 a month on membership sales of the people they personally sponsored. Level 3, $2 a month on level 4, and $1 a month on level 5. One-time commissions are paid out on master swipes purchases 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 5 levels deep on a $29.95 pricing, and $10, $8, $6, $4, and $2 on 5 level deeps on a $59.95 pricing. Notice commissions will be accumulated until they reach the goal amount of $30. So you have to wait $30 to receive $30 to receive a payout, at which the time they will be paid on upon request. Commissions will be paid via paycheck or PayPal check or Bitcoin. Give me 1 second here. I'm trying to get something done for my baby girl. What is going on here with you today? Oh, somebody is having a fit today. I had to load up a little cocomelon for my baby. Here. Sorry you guys about that. But I'm just showing you I'm a real person. I deal with day-to-day activities. I take care of my daughter from home. And this is how I make a income. Not just by promoting this opportunity, but I use this bulk mailer to send out my opportunities. And somebody's having a fit today. What is going on here? What are you messing with? I know. Excuse me. Give me a minute here. I don't know what she done did in here. I do apologize about the way I thank you guys for holding on. You guys are awesome. So with this says weekly superstar bonus contest. Win an unlimited number of $100 bonus each week by simply referring 5 new customer memberships sales in 7 days. You read that correctly. For every 5 paid customers you refer in 1 week period, you earn $100 cash bonus. There is no limit. Referrals 25 made new paid customers in 1 week and you'll earn $500. Your new customer referral will be continued for 1 calendar week, a week, as definitely as defended as 12 a.m. Monday through 11:59 Saturday Eastern Time. Earn bonus leads. Double your leads. So $100 per day, $200 per day for life by simply referring one confirmed customer. Yep, that's right. As soon as your first customer give you a 100 lead bonus every day, you will continue to receive 200 bonus leads per day as long as you let as least one of your referral remains active. And they give you all kinds of email swipes to be able to send out through this bulk mailer. We'll go over into the mailer system so you can see how that works. So what you'll do, you'll mail by partner or by date. you'll click here and you'll select your 9,000 leads to mail out today to, or you can go through yourself and select which leads you want to be able to mail out to. Sender from, this says Corey Norris, no reply, my lead gen secret. So I like to send it from them, so from me, so that way those who open my emails will start getting to know, like, and trust me as a email marketer. You can fill in a subject line. You can use these tabs here to be able to send out as a first name, full name, last name, email address. Why don't you guys go play that way? Take her that way, something, man. So here you'll be able to enter your email, and once you have your email set up, I can't email for another 19 hours. You can be able to send the mail out once every day using this bulk mailer. And don't worry, if you're new to email marketing, or even if you have not been able to put an email together, they do have a mailing system one-on-one training right here. So you'll click there and it's going to show you how to use the mailing system, how to create an email, and how to add and use other systems within your email to be able to have a better open rate. So if we go home here, it'll show you how many of your leads have opened up your campaigns, how many click-throughs, open rates, and click-through rates. I sent this out this morning, so that's why it's at 224 openings already, 3 clicks. Yeah, it's not great, but it will get better throughout the day going, and as the week going, and as more people open up the email, you will start seeing that number accumulate more and more and more and more and more. And it'll double up more and more and more as more people open up the emails throughout the day. So that's my lead gen secret in a nutshell. I don't want to hold you guys too long. The link is in the bottom of the description if you want to check out this bulk mailer. If you have if you have been having problems finding leads, they're very susceptible to home-based businesses, ClickBank offers, JVSU offers. So go ahead, click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to a page, give you all the rundown on how it works, and get started. And I'll see you guys on the inside.